Alright, today I am in Monroe, Michigan, and this is the Monroe Area Historical Society, or Historical Museum, I should say. It's bigger than I imagined it being. I like that phone. A fire alarm from 1918. That's interesting. Stanley J. Newton, corporate attorney with the Lazy Boy Chair Company. Huh. I didn't know Lazy Boy was from here. I thought it was from Arkansas. So the wood for these Lazy Boys came from northern Michigan. Interesting. Now you know. Oh, what's this? Gas-o-meter, 1884. So this is a nitrous oxide delivery device from over 100 years ago. Wow. Give that a good rip, eh? Oh, here we go. This is kind of wild. So that's a real skeleton. Has a hole in the sternum. Huh. No one ever knew the identity of this skeleton. Look at that. There is a hole in the sternum. Wow. That's terrible. That is absolutely wild. Wow. It was used at a university, I guess. Wow, interesting. got that trench knife. I would love to have one of those trench knives. That's wild. Look at that gas mask from World War I. That's terrifying, isn't it? Oh. I did not know that the Monroe shock absorbers came from Monroe, Michigan. I didn't even know that. Well, now you know. There was a foundry here. Payroll department safe. That's cool. I love these old safes. They're so interesting.
Hello.
Hi. Alright, let's go upstairs. Alright, this is the lazy boy section. $1948. That floral pattern, interesting. You don't generally see furniture that old anymore. Wow, look at all that Civil War era personal items. Very interesting. Spencer Army rifle. Oh, it must be one of the very first cartridge firing rifles. Yeah, the magazine in the buttstock. Interesting. Custer the Third. Interesting. Well, that about summarizes the Monroe, Michigan History Museum. Hope you enjoyed.